Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to profile code performance with Codeium. Codeium's AI powered features can help you identify performance bottlenecks and optimize your code efficiently. So let's get started. First of all, make sure you have the Codeium extension installed and activated in your code editor. If you have not installed it yet, check out my previous tutorial on how to install Codeium. Now open your code editor and load the project where you want to profile code performance using Codeium. Codeium integrates with various profiling tools and can suggest specific tools and methods based on the programming language and environment you are working in. To start profiling, select the section of code or function you want to analyze. Codeium will provide suggestions on how to instrument your code for performance measurement. Run your code with the profiling tools enabled. Codeium will help you interpret the profiling data by suggesting which parts of the code are causing performance issues. Codeium can also recommend optimizations for improving performance, such as refactoring code, optimizing loops, and using more efficient algorithms or data structures. Use Codeium's real-time suggestions to make the necessary changes to your code. It can provide instant feedback on how these changes performance. Regularly profile your code as you develop to ensure that new changes do not introduce performance regressions. Codeium can assist by monitoring performance metrics and suggesting further improvements. Document your profiling process and results. Codeium can help you write detailed comments and documentation to keep track of the optimizations and their impact on performance. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to profile code performance with Codeium. This tool can help you identify with and fix performance issues, making your code run faster and more efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.